Have you ever wondered what Ethiopians eat for breakfast and lunch? Welcome to a world where food is a symphony of vibrant colors, rich flavors, and unique traditions, the mesmerizing world of Ethiopian cuisine. Today, we're journeying into the heart of this culinary paradise, revealing 10 Ethiopian breakfast and lunch recipes that you absolutely need to try. From the bustling streets of Addis Ababa to the tranquil villages in the highlands, each dish tells a story, a tale of culture, history, and a love for good food. We're talking about recipes that have been passed down through generations, each one a celebration of taste and tradition. We'll explore everything from the crunchy bites of dabo kolo to the tangy allure of furfir, the sumptuous delight of doro wat, and the exotic charm of injera. Ready to explore these delectable dishes? Join us on this culinary journey. Our first stop is dabo kolo, a popular Ethiopian snack that doubles as a breakfast item. This delightful treat is a symphony of simple ingredients and complex flavors. To start, you'll need wheat flour, sugar, salt, and a touch of berbere spice for that quintessential Ethiopian kick. First, mix the dry ingredients together, then add water gradually to form a stiff dough. Knead it well until it's smooth and elastic. Now, roll the dough into long, thin strips and cut them into small, uniform pieces. These will be your bite-sized dabo kolo. Next, it's time to cook. Heat a pan over medium heat and add your dabo kolo, stirring frequently to ensure they cook evenly. When they turn a beautiful golden brown, you'll know they're done. Let them cool, and they'll become delightfully crunchy, perfect for a quick breakfast bite or a snack on the go. There you have it, dabo kolo, a perfect crunchy start to your day. Next on our list is chechepsa, a hearty breakfast dish that's sure to wake up your taste buds. This Ethiopian flatbread is a delightful blend of flavors, made even more exciting by the addition of berbere spice mix. To prepare chechepsa, you'll start with a piece of flatbread. Traditionally, this is a slightly stale injera, but any flatbread will do. Tear it into small, bite-sized pieces and set aside. Next, you'll prepare the berbere sauce. This is a spicy, flavorful mix that's a staple in Ethiopian cuisine. You'll need to combine chili peppers, garlic, ginger, and various other spices. Heat some oil in a pan, add the berbere mix, and stir until it forms a thick paste. Now, it's time to combine the two. Add the torn flatbread pieces into the pan with the berbere sauce. Stir until the bread is well coated, then let it simmer for a few minutes. And just like that, you've made chechepsa, a breakfast dish that's both flavorful and filling. But also a great way to use leftover bread. This Ethiopian favorite is a vibrant mix of texture. To start off, heat some oil in a pan and sauté your onions until they're translucent. Add in your tomatoes, garlic, and berbere spice, and let this simmer to create one part. Tear up your bread into small, bite-sized pieces and toss them into the pan. Stir everything together until the bread soaks up all the tangy and spice with the tang of the tomatoes. Adjust to your taste and don't be afraid of a little zest. With that, eat as it is to say. Now let's dive into injera, a staple in every Ethiopian meal. This sour flatbread is not just a dish, it's an integral part of the dining experience. Injera starts with a batter made from teff flour, a grain native to Ethiopia. The batter is then left to ferment for a few days, a crucial step that lends this bread its distinctive sour flavor. The fermentation process also creates a bubbling effect, resulting in a spongy texture perfect for soaking up stews and sauces. Once fermented to perfection, the batter is poured onto a hot griddle or pan and cooked until bubbles appear on the surface. The end result? A tangy, spongy flatbread that's ready to be paired with your favorite Ethiopian dishes. Whether it's a hearty stew or a spicy meat dish, injera is there to complement and elevate the flavors. And there you have it, injera, the sour flatbread that's the backbone of Ethiopian cuisine. Starting our lunch recipes, we have doro wat, a rich and spicy chicken stew. This Ethiopian delicacy begins with marinating chicken pieces in lemon juice and salt, creating a base for the succulent, tangy flavors to come. Next, we slowly sauté a medley of onions, garlic, and ginger until they're soft and fragrant. This forms the backbone of our stew, a sweet and aromatic base that's about to get a serious kick of heat. Enter berbere spice, the star of the show. This Ethiopian spice blend, with its fiery red hue and complex flavor profile, is generously added to the pot. We then simmer the chicken in this robust sauce, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply into the meat. This slow cooking process, often lasting several hours, is what makes doro wat so incredibly flavorful. Finally, we add boiled eggs and adjust the seasoning to taste. And that's how you make doro wat, a dish that's sure to impress at your next dinner party. Next up is kitfo, a dish for those who like their meat with a kick. Kitfo is a tantalizing Ethiopian dish that is sure to excite your taste buds. This delicacy is made from finely chopped or ground lean meat, traditionally beef, that is marinated in a fiery blend of spices. In the preparation of kitfo, quality is key. The beef is carefully selected to ensure it's lean and tender. Then it's meticulously minced to achieve the perfect texture. The magic, however, lies in the spice blend, known as mitmita. This potent mix includes African bird's eye chili peppers, cardamom, cloves, and salt. To this, a generous amount of niter kiba, a spiced clarified butter, is added, giving the dish its unique, robust flavor profile. The end result is an incredibly flavorful dish, with a delicate balance of heat, spice, and savory goodness. It's typically served raw or lightly cooked, depending on preference. With that, you've made kitfo, a spicy delight that's sure to satisfy any meat lover. Our final dish is shiro, a comforting chickpea stew that's perfect for those chilly evenings. Delving into the world of Ethiopian cuisine, shiro holds a special place. It's a simple yet deeply satisfying dish that starts with chickpea flour. This humble ingredient is transformed into a hearty stew that's packed full of flavor. The magic of shiro lies in its medley of spices. Berbere, a staple in Ethiopian cooking, lends a robust heat, while turmeric adds a golden hue and a subtle earthy note. Garlic and ginger bring a pungent kick, and the dish is rounded off with a generous sprinkling of aromatic nigella seeds. The process of making shiro is a labor of love. The chickpea flour is slowly cooked with water, creating a thick and creamy base. The spices are then sautéed in oil until their flavors bloom, before being mixed into the stew. And there you have it, shiro, a warming stew that's as nutritious as it is delicious. And that's a wrap on our culinary tour of Ethiopia. We started our journey with dabo kolo, those delightful crunchy bites that are perfect for a quick snack. Remember the blend of flavors from the spices and how they created a warm, inviting aroma as they cooked? And who could forget the satisfying crunch as you bit into them? Then we moved on to ceccepsa, a flatbread and berbere sauce combo that is a breakfast staple in Ethiopia. The tangy, spicy berbere sauce truly transformed the simple flatbread into a dish that would wake up your taste buds and get you ready for the day ahead. We also explored furfir, another spicy and tangy bread dish that is known for its unique texture and bold flavors. This dish is a great example of how Ethiopian cuisine transforms simple ingredients into extraordinary meals. Next, we ventured into the world of injera, the sour flatbread that is a cornerstone of Ethiopian cuisine. This versatile bread can be served with a variety of dishes, and its distinct sour flavor adds a unique twist to any meal. We then dove into the rich, hearty world of doro wat, a chicken stew that is as comforting as it is flavorful. The blend of spices, the tender chicken, and the hearty sauce all come together to create a dish that is truly satisfying. From there, we discovered kitfo, a spiced meat dish that is a testament to the bold flavors of Ethiopian cuisine. The careful blend of spices and the high-quality meat combine to create a dish that is both delicious and satisfying. And finally, we explored shiro, a chickpea stew that is both hearty and healthy. This dish showcases the versatility of Ethiopian cuisine, as it can be enjoyed as a main dish or a side dish, and is suitable for vegetarians and vegans alike. Each of these dishes offers a unique glimpse into the rich, diverse world of Ethiopian cuisine. They demonstrate the art of transforming simple ingredients into flavorful, satisfying meals. So why not try making some of these dishes at home? You might just discover a new favorite recipe. Remember, the world is full of flavors waiting to be explored, so why not start with Ethiopian cuisine? Until next time, happy cooking!